Hello everyone, my name is Dave. I'm from Couleur Studios. I'm a Photoshop and Premiere Pro user. I'm also a movie director. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Okay, let's begin. Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial. Today we are going to look at how to place an image into a text. This video looks similar to the one we did the previous day. You can click on the bar at the top for the previous tutorial. So let's begin. First of all, type a name you want. So for instance, Couleur Studios. So now let's transform it to a size we want. You can choose any font you want, but I prefer the impact. So now press Ctrl T to transform it. So let's go and import the image of our choice. So you see this dog here, that's the image I have imported. So let's transform it. I think it's okay. So the next step is we right click on the image and go to create clipping mask, and now your image is in the text. You can press Ctrl T to transform the image, to move it around the way you want. So I think it's okay. So this is how you place an image into a text. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye. If you haven't subscribed, make sure to hit the subscribe button.